So here's the problem. A motorcyclist is traveling behind a slow-moving tractor on highway. They pull out to pass the tractor by accelerating at 3.50 m/s. If the motorcycle starts off 12 meters behind the tractor and the tractor maintains a constant speed of 50 45 km/h, how long will it take to pass? How far will each have to travel in that time? So the process is here. We need to separate the data first. For the motorcycle object 1, it has a speed of 45 km/h and an acceleration of 3.50 m/s to square. And for the tractor, it is only the velocity of 12.50. We need to convert this velocity of object 1 to m/s that keep the same of the object 2, 12.50. The problem asks about the time. What time is time 1 equal time 2? And so we have to look for the equation. First, is the distance 1 is equal to distance 1 is equal to distance 2 plus 12 meters, that is the distance that the problem mentions. Returning to the previous point, we know that when there is acceleration and calculated distance, the formula is initial velocity time equal to 1/2 a of acceleration t of square, and for the distance for the object 2, the equation is, formula is velocity multiplied by time, that is speed. We put the equations together but separating them with the equal sign. We have this left and we eliminate that is equal. In this case, it will be the initial velocity, and this is what we have to left, and the 12 are added because is the distance. So the problem has time, so we need to clear. So the 1/2 happens multiplied by the other side. The acceleration is divided and the square as a root, which given for the rest 2.61886 seconds. We run it to 2.62 seconds. Now we go to part 2 to calculate the distance. So the question is that I mentioned before, this velocity initial time plus 1/2 times 2 squared, substitute with data. Here's the process, and the result of the motorcycle is 44.7 meters. And for the distance of the tractor, we use the formula v plus time, and substitute with the date and give me the rest of 32.7 meters. So that's 2.62 seconds that the motorcycle will do to pass the tractor, and at that time the tractor will have to record 32.7 meters, while the motorcycle will have recorded 44.7 meters. Thank you.